What's up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another tutorial in JavaScript. So we're going to be talking about variables. So this is our second video. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video. If this video help you, go ahead and subscribe. Okay. So variable. So any application that we write is going to be based on data. Okay. For example, if you're selling products, all the data that you have for your products, it has to be stored somewhere, and usually it's going to be stored in the computer memory. For example, like the product name, the price, and etc. Yeah, and for JavaScript we use variables to hold that information. Like for example, if you're selling a ticket, how much is a ticket to go to the zoo? Let's pretend it's $10. You got a $10, but now uh, we're going to store that, what is going to be the location. So that's why you give it the name. For example, total. If you just, you and your mom or somebody else, three people, is going to be $10 each, was going to be $30 right there. You will say total equals $30, right? So that's what it's going to be. So but for our purpose in JavaScript, so we use a keyword. The keyword, to declare a keyword, we use the word let. Okay, let, and also we give it a name. um, what name do we give it? Let's say welcome equals to welcome to my JavaScript tutorial. Just like that. You finish that with a semicolon, and then we're going to do the show message, and then we're going to pass the welcome variable right here, welcome, and then we finish with the semicolon, and that should update our learning JavaScript text to say welcome to my JavaScript tutorial. Let's save that, or let's just refresh it. Yeah, welcome to my JavaScript tutorial. And the nice thing about this, you only can change the string. You don't do anything else with the variable name, right? You can just change that to whatever. Here, why did I do that? I don't know what is to type. Just an example, and then refresh that. Okay, cool. You can just change as many as you want. Okay, now let's do this. So let's pretend let's do some data, right? Let's put some price. Let's pretend that you have your store, and then you're selling bread, and then how much is bread? It's like $3. Okay, semicolon. Then you can use another variable name. Let's pretend bread. Let's see what else. Name of the store. Let's see. There's a store right here where I go, Winkle. They sell cheap stuff in there. And then let's do another one. Let's see, discount. Let's see, true. Right here in these three different variables, right? As you can tell, in the first one, for the number, I don't need semicolon. Quotation marks, or single quotation marks like I have for Winkle, neither for true, because the computer already uses numbers, so there's no issues at all on that one. But for name, we put strings, because the computer doesn't recognize that. It's like a string literal right here, and we use that. You can just change that, kind of like we did in our message at the beginning. And for true, also the computer really recognizes we use true and false for a Boolean value right here. Okay, so right here you can change, and you can say name, pass that name in here, save it, and then refresh it. It says Winkle right here, and then you can say bread. It should give us the price. Save it and refresh it. $3 right here. Cool. Now also what we can do, if you have multiple variables, you can just get rid of all the lead keywords, and then you can use commas right here, commas, and then enter a semicolon, and this will work too. Let's just do discount. Save that and refresh it. It gives a true. Okay, cool. So this is yeah, that was just a quick video. I don't know how long was this. I don't know, very quick. But anyway, so hopefully this helped you how to do variables. You know, usually we need data when we're building our applications, and we need to give a name, use those variables to hold those values in our computer memory. All right, so have a good night, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.